Hello, my name is Peter Roto, and today I'm going to run through a demonstration on how to use my employee tracker app. So it's already installed. I installed all the dependencies. Obviously, I was developing this app, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the directory it's in and run npm start. And we're greeted with this awesome picture and a prompt that asks what we would like to do. So if we click on View Employees, it gives us a list of fictitious employees that I made. If those of you playing along at home, these are all characters from the show Archer. It's phenomenally hysterical. So quickly moving on. Then you can do, with the different SQL queries, we can view departments and roles, as well as add an employee. We can add test employee, and this guy is going to be an account rep. So he's going to have the same manager as everybody else. Successfully added to the list. Now if we click on View Employees, you can see test employee is there, account rep, sales, and he has the same manager as everybody else in sales. So that's pretty awesome. We can add a department. Top secret here. Bam. Now if we go to hit view departments, there it is. So we're interacting with our SQL databases through queries and stuff. So add role, spy. Spies make $85,000, and he will go into our top secret department. Bam. You can also update roles. So I just don't know who I want to update. Barry. We'll make Barry a janitor. There we go. So now view employees again. Barry is now a master of the custodial arts. Right. So we can move on. What do we do? Oh, update role. So add employee, add department, add role. Update role we just did. Update manager. We want to make Barry's manager Woodhouse because he changed departments. Bam. And there it is. So the app works as designed. We can then delete an employee, which we will delete our test character. And you can see he's no longer there. We can do the same thing with departments and roles. And just delete all the stuff we just made. Spy. Now if we view departments, there's no longer a top secret department. View roles, there's no longer a spy. View employees, or whoops, sorry. I should have coded an escape here, but I did not. My bad. But as you can tell, it works as designed. And then we can also look at the utilized budget for a department. If we want to look at the sales department, because it has the most people in it, I believe. Sales says that we are using $150,000, which is just the $50,000. All of our salespeople being added together. So the salary of all of our salespeople being added together. Sorry, the energy just totally went down in this video, but then we can quit. Our app tells us goodbye. So that is my employee tracker app. Hopefully you like it and find use for it, and I hope it changes your life. It did for me. Well, as the app said, bye!